Originally, psychology was defined as the science of the mind, but today it is more accurately defined as the scientific study of behavior and mental processes, where behavior refers to anything an organism does and mental processes include internal processes such as thinking, feeling, and desiring. Goals of psychology can be summarized in terms of describing, explaining, understanding, predicting, and controlling. That is, to describe particular behaviors, explain and understand why behaviors and mental processes occur, as well as predict the conditions under which these are more likely to occur in the future. In addition, psychologists also seek to apply their knowledge to promote and prevent or control unwanted behaviors. Psychology is diverse, and there are a few areas of psychology. Here are a few of them. Clinical psychologists focus on the study and treatment of mental and behavioral disorders. Counseling psychologists typically work with people who are seeking guidance in particular areas of their life. Cognitive psychologists are interested in understanding the basic mental processes such as how we think, learn, and remember. Social psychologists are interested in how individuals operate within the social world, that is, how they influence and how they are influenced by others around them. Personality psychologists focus on personality and its variations between individuals. Developmental psychologists are interested in how people grow and change throughout the lifespan. Educational psychologists work with children in academic settings. Organizational psychologists focus their efforts on work settings and are concerned with issues ranging from job performance to organizational processes and structures as a whole. Forensic psychologists are typically involved with the judicial or correctional systems. So as you can see, psychology comprises of many specialty areas that are interwoven into a complex network of research and practice.